میرا حالیہ دورہ سعودی عرب میں ملنے والا استقبال اور محبت غیر معمولی تھی۔ عالی، مرتبت، ولی عہد محمد بن سلمان اور ان کی ٹیم کی شاندار میزبانی قابل تعریف تھی۔ دونوں ممالک کا باہمی رشتہ ہمیشہ مضبوط اور پائیدار رہے گا۔ وزیر اعظم محمد شہباز شریف اور چیئرمین سعودی پاکستان جوائنٹ بزنس کونسل شہزادہ منصور بن محمد بن سعد کا خطاب۔
Since late 60s, on many occasions, this visit to Riyadh was exceptional. Not that our Saudi brothers and sisters, they have hoped for Pakistan, unmatched throughout our history. But this time, the warmth of this welcome was of a different level. And I have not seen this kind of arrangements made by my very dear brother, His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince Prime Minister محمد bin Shalman, and of course his team, and then of course our brother Ambassador. And the message was, and the message is, and will be forever, that Pakistan is very, very dear to Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has always been standing by Pakistan through thick and thin, and Saudi Arabia will always stand by Pakistan in a manner which is known to all and sundry, in a very unwavering commitment which was shown throughout our history and which will continue forever.